Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to find incoming call total time in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to call button here and then go to these three vertical dots and click on total call time here. Here you can find incoming calls, total voice call timing and total video call timing. Total voice call timing is available here. It is 1 day and 9 hour and 54 minutes you have received incoming call. Okay, and here video call is showing 0. In a similar way, outgoing calls timing also showing here. Okay, then most recent calls timing is showing here. Okay, so in this way you can easily find out total incoming call timing in your phone. You can also reset the timing. Okay, if you reset now, all calls will be in 0. Then you can later it will be increasing according to your incoming calls and outgoing calls and recent calls. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.